Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Go get the ball. How about a toy? Oh, it does still squeak. It does still squeak. Would you like a little squeaky? Oh, yeah. It might be alive. You never know. It might be alive. Are you a terrier? Are you a terrier? Okay. No?
No.
How about this one? This is a good one. Oh, go get it.
Are they too big for you? Are they scary?
They could be scary. Let's see what we have. Oh, no. Another ball. Oh, here's a little one.
Oh, matches.
Okay, go get it.
Okay, you got 3 different sizes.
Yeah.
None of them are appealing?
Have your cute eyes. No, can I get you? Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, what a good boy he is. What a good boy. What a good boy.
Sit.
Good boy. That was a
Come.
good sit.
Come. That's cute. You had one ear bent.